Yes, very good morning, my dear students. Dear students, in our last class, we discussed exercise 5.5 problems. We discussed two problems. That is, first one and second one is for your homework. Here, observe, guys. The solution for this will be, you should get this answer. Here, observe. If we call this function as y, then its derivative is dy by dx, that is equal to, here this is a square root, so here this is 1 by 2. If this is a cube root, then this becomes 1 by 3. Okay, now into this function, the function within the square root, into x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into here this is 1 by x minus 1 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2. Here numerator is over. Here for the denominator this is minus 1 by x minus 3. Next again minus, that is in the denominator 1 by x minus 4, again minus 1 by x minus 5. This will be the your answer. Okay guys, for this question, derivative of this function with respect to x or dy by dx is equal to, here 1 by 2 into this function, 1 by 2 into this function into this 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 numerator, minus for the denominator minus 1 by x minus 3 plus minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Okay guys, if this is plus, then this is plus. Okay, here this becomes same, this becomes the same. Okay, this becomes, sorry, here also this is plus. Okay, here observe, here it is plus, here 4, here it is plus, then here 4 it is plus, here also 4 it is plus. Okay na? Now similarly, if this is plus, then all becomes plus. Okay, like this you will get the answer. Okay, now I will take another example. Y is equal to square root of this x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5 by x minus 7 into x minus 9. Okay na? Then its answer should be dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into this function x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5 by here x minus 7 into x minus 7, x minus 9 into, this is, guess the answer, into 1 by x minus 1 into, sorry, plus 1 by x minus 2, next plus 1 by x minus 5, 1 by x minus 5. Yeah, next for the numerator, this is minus, for the numerator that is minus 1 by x minus 7, again x minus 9 is in the numerator, minus 1 by x minus 9. Like this you will get the answer. Then like this you can guess the answer for this type of questions. Okay, now okay, next question guys. Here third one, log x all to the power of cos x, log x all to the power of cos x or log x to the power of cos x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Here in this exercise, differentiate with respect to what? X. Okay, here observe guys, let us call this function as y. Here log x to the power of x, if you see anywhere function to the power of function, find the derivative of the function, that is function to the power of function, then use this logarithmic differentiation. Okay guys, then that becomes so much easy to differentiate that function. Now let us call this function as y. Let y here is equal to log x all to the power of what? Cos x, all to the power of cos x. Now observe guys, here take log on both sides. Now by logarithmic differentiation, take log on both the sides. Then this becomes what? Log y. Log y is equal to, by the property of logarithm, log m power n can be written as, here that is equal to n into log m, that is power this n into log base m. Now that is equal to cos x into or log of log x into log x all to the power of cos x. Okay, take log on both sides. This is log, this is log. This is the same function log x to the power of cos x. Now observe guys. Now this is of the form log m to the power of n. Log m power n can be written as what? N log m. N here is what? N here is cos x. Cos x into here log cos x into log m. M value here is this one. Log of log x. Now observe guys. Now this is of the form log m power n, log m to the power of n. In place of m here it is log x. In place of n here it is what? X. Okay. Now that's equal to n log m. N into n means cos x into log m is this log x. Okay. Now here observe guys. This is what? Log y. This is what? Log y. Now observe guys. This is product of two functions. We can easily differentiate the product of two functions by using the product rule. By product rule. This can be written as what? Here directly I will differentiate this with respect to what? Is x. Here derivative of y with respect to x is 1 by y into d by dx of y. Okay, derivative of log y is what? 1 by y into derivative of this y with respect to x is d by dx of y. That's equal to here first function cos x into here by product rule first function into derivative of the second function. Here second function is log of log x. Okay, first function into d by dx of second function. Here d by dx of log x plus second function log of log x into derivative of first function d by dx of first function here is what? Cos x. First function here cos x. Next here is cos x into here d by dx of log x. Now this is of the form log u. In place of u here it is what? Log x. Derivative of log u is 1 by u. In place of u log x. 1 by u into d by dx of into derivative of u here is into d by dx of log x plus log of log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now observe guys, this is cos x by log x, into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log of log x in plus log of log x into sin x here plus into minus here is what? This is, then this becomes minus. That is cos x into log x, cos x by log x into x, or cos x by x log x minus log of log x into sin x. This is what? 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx. Next, observe guys, if I shift this y to right hand side, that becomes what? Then dy by dx becomes this y into this whole function, y into cos x by x log x, or cos x into log x into 1 by x. Next, minus log of log x into log of log x into sin x. Here observe guys. Here observe. Here y means what? Here y means we call this function as y. That is log x o to the power of cos x. That is log x o to the power of cos x into what? Cos x by log x into 1 by x minus log of log x into sin x. This is the required derivative of the given function. Okay. Now here observe guys, we can go like this. If they ask for 5 marks, then you can go like this. Okay. Otherwise for CET we can go like this by using this formula, that is d by dx of function to the power of function. Function to the power of function can be written as, here f of x o to the power of g of x can be written as f of x whole power g of x into g of x by f of x, g of, that is power by this one function, g of x by f of x into the denominator derivative into f dash of x plus log f of x into g dash of x power derivative. Okay, that is d by dx of f of x whole power g of x can be written as, that is f of x whole power g of x into g of x by f of x into f dash of x, denominator derivative f dash of x plus log f of x, log of the inner function, log f of x into g dash of x into the power derivative of this power g of x is g dash of. Okay, like this also for CET we can solve this question like this. Directly we will get the answer. Okay guys, here y is equal to what? Here y is equal to log x o to the power of cos x, right? Log x o to the power of cos x. Then dy by dx means what? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x o to the power of cos x, o to the power of cos x. Right guys? Here observe guys, the derivative of this function is, here this is f of x, this is g of x. Here f of x is equal to this one, this is f of x, this is g of x. Okay guys, derivative of f of x o to the power of g of x can be written as what? By using this formula, derivative of f of x whole power g of x can be written as, here f of x whole power g of x, that is log x o to the power of cos x into here g of x by f of x. G of x means what? Power by f of x. G of x means cos x by f of x means what? Log x. Cos x by log x into f dash of x into derivative of the denominator, here into f dash of x, that is log x derivative is 1 by x. Okay, next plus here this is plus. Next log of here f of x means what? F of x means log x. Here in place of f of x, here is log x. This is log of f of x. F of x means again log x into here derivative of g dash, derivative of g of x. Derivative of g of x means derivative of this cos x is minus sin x. This is minus sin x. So directly we will get the answer. That is just you simplify. One more step. Here cos x into log x whole power cos x into cos x by log x into 1 by x into 1 by x. Okay. Plus into minus is minus log of log x into sin x. Into sin. Okay. For CET directly you will solve like this. Okay. Ne? For CET questions you will directly solve like this. Otherwise for 5 mark questions, for 5 mark, if they ask for 5 mark or 3 mark, then you can go like this. Usually this question is asked for, this kind of questions are asked for 5 mark questions. Okay. Now let us go for the next question guys. Just copy this. We'll move for next one. next question. Fourth one. Find the derivative of x power x minus 2 to the power of sin x. 2 to the power of sin x. Here observe guys. I will call this function as y. This is the fourth question. Find the derivative of this function with respect to x. Here I will call this function as y. Let y is equal to x to the power of x into 2 to the power of sin x. Okay. Next, let x power x is equal to some u and 2 to the power of sin x is equal to some v. I will call this function as u, this function as v. Okay. Next, then this becomes what? Above equation becomes. Then the above equation becomes. That is y becomes y is equal to. Then y is equal to. Here x power x means what? U minus 2 power sin x means what? V. U minus v. Now differentiate this function. Differentiate means differentiate with respect to what? With respect to x. Yeah. Now this becomes what? D by dx of y. This is equal to d by dx of u minus this is minus d by dx of this function v. Okay. Call this function as equation number 1. Okay. Now guys, to find the derivative of this function x power x minus 2 to the power of sin x, or to find the derivative of this function y, we have to find out what? Du by dx and dv by dx. To find out du by dx, differentiate u with respect to what? X. Okay. Now I will differentiate equation. I will consider equation, that is u. First I will consider u and differentiate that with respect to x. After that I will consider v and differentiate that with respect to x, and then club all two conditions and then simplify, you will get the answer. Okay guys, now listen here. Now consider u is equal to, u here is equal to what? U here is equal to x to the power of x. U here is equal to what? X power x. Now by using logarithmic differentiation, this can be written as, here take log on both sides. Take log on both the side. Here take log on both the side means log u is equal to log x power x. Here it is log, here it is log. Okay. Take log on both sides. Now that is equal to what? Now this is of the form log m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m. So this can be written as what? X to the power of x means log x power x means x into log x power into log this log x. That's equal to log u. Now observe. Now this is product of two functions. Then we can easily differentiate this one. Now this is log u form. Log u is what? 1 by u into d by dx of u. Now differentiate this with respect to what? X only. Differentiate this with respect to the independent variable x. Now derivative of log u is 1 by u into d by dx of u. That is equal to, here by using product rule. By using product rule, this can be written as what? Here first function x into d by dx of the second function log x plus second function log x into derivative of the first function d by dx of x. Here x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x with respect to x means dx by dx. That means 1. Here x get cancelled. X get cancelled. Here observe guys. Yeah, that's equal to, if I shift this u to right hand side, then here it becomes what? Du by dx only. If I shift this 1 by u to right hand side, then this u becomes the numerator. U into this one. Here observe. U means what? U means x to the power of x. U means x to the power of x into x get cancelled. Here you will get 1 plus log x into 1 means log x. Here this is what? Du by dx. This is what? Du by dx. Correct as equation number 2. Correct as equation number 2. Okay. Here equation number 2 is what? X power x into 1 plus log x. Equation 2 is I will simply write here, or directly you can substitute here. Okay na? Equation 2 is equal to what? X power x into du by dx is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, now we have to find out what? dv by dx. First you find out du by dx and substitute here. Next find out dv by dx and substitute here. Okay. Next I will find out v, that is dv by dx. Here v is equal to what? 2 to the power of sin x. Again consider v is equal to 2 to the power of sin x. Observe guys, this is of the form. Here if I differentiate this with respect to x here, or take log on both sides, no problem. Okay na? Here directly we can differentiate this, because now this is of the form a to the power of x. If this is a function to the power of function, then take log on both sides, or otherwise you can easily differentiate that function by using standard result. Here observe d by dx of v, that is equal to d by dx of 2 to the power of sin x. Here observe guys, now this is of the form d by dx of a to the power of u. Derivative of a power u is a power u into log a for the base e into d by dx of u, right? Similarly here that's equal to d by dx of, here in place of a here is equal to what? 2, and in place of u here is equal to sin x. Here is equal to sin x. Here now this is of the form a power u derivative is a power u, that is 2 power sin x a power u into log a into log, here a is what? Into log 2 for the base a power u into log a into d by dx of here u means what? Sin x into d by dx of u means sin x, that's equal to 2 to the power of sin x into log 2 for the base. Here sin x derivative is cos x. This is what? dv by dx. Now observe guys, this is equation number what? This is I will call this function as equation 3, this as equation 2, and this is equation 1. Okay, from equations here 2 and 3, the above equation becomes, or from equation 2 and 3 equation 1 becomes, equation 1 means what? This is dy by dx, that is dy by dx is equal to du by dx means what? X to the power of x into 1 plus log x. Lastly you should write like this. Okay, plus sorry, here it is minus dv by dx means what? 2 to the power of sin x into log 2 for the base into cos x. This should be our answer. Okay, like this we have to differentiate the function. First call this function as y and call this one as x power x as u and 2 to the power of sin x as v. Then this becomes u minus v. Differentiate this with respect to x. This is dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Next, first find du by dx. To find du by dx, consider u, that is u is equal to x to the power of x. Then differentiate by using logarithmic differentiation, because this is what? Function to the power of function. X power x means function to the power of function. Next, find out du by dx. Next, and call that equation as equation number 2. Next, consider v. Again differentiate that one and call that equation as equation number 3, and substitute equation 2 and 3 in this equation, in the equation number 1. Okay. then you will get the result. Okay, now let us go for the next question, guys. Here the answer for this question is x power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into log x log 2 for the base c into cos x. Now let us go for the next question, guys. Fifth question. Fifth question. X plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole to the power of 4. X plus 5 whole to the power of 4. Here observe, guys. This is for your homework question. Here easily we can differentiate this function, guys. Easily you can. Here I will solve this. Let's look at. Let's look here. Let's look here. Let us call this function as y. Let y is equal to this function. Here take log on both sides. Take log on both the sides by using logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Here into x plus 6 whole power 5 into x plus 7 whole power 6. Okay. Whatever that may be, take log on both sides. Okay. Now guys, listen. Take log on both sides means log y here is equal to log of this one, this whole function, that is x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole to the power of 4. Okay. Now observe, guys. Now this is of the form, the above equation is of the form here log m n o. Log m n o. Log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. Log m into n into o can be written as log m into o. M into n into o can be written as log m plus log n plus log o. Okay. Here. So this can be written as log m. M here is x plus 3 whole square plus log n. N here is x plus 4 whole cube plus log o. Log o here is x plus 5 whole to the power of 4. Now observe, guys, again. Now this is of the form log m to the power of n. These terms are of the form log m power n, log m power n, m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m. The properties of logarithmic are very important, guys. If you don't know the properties, you can't solve even one problem. Okay, these problems. Okay, now so you should remember all the properties of logarithm. Now log m power n can be written as n log m. So this can be written as 2 log here x plus 3 plus here 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Here observe, guys. This is 2 into log x plus n, 3 into log x plus 4, 4 into log x plus 5. Is it possible to differentiate here? Is it possible to differentiate easily this function here? Now, of course, this is log y. Now, here, because we can easily differentiate this function because this is of the form log u. Derivative of log u is 1 by u into d by dx of u. Okay. Now, differentiate with respect to x. By chain rule we can differentiate this function as, here observe, log y derivative is 1 by y into d by dx of this inner function y. This is equal to Here 2 is a constant. Directly I will take it from the derivative. Okay, 2 into derivative of this log x plus 3. Derivative of log x plus 3 is of the form log u. Derivative of log u is 1 by u. 1 by, in place of u, here it is x plus 3. Into d by dx of x plus 3. Into d by dx of x plus 3. Here into d, directly I will differentiate this. Observe guys, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of 3 with respect to x is 0 plus 3 into, now again this is of the form log u. Log u derivative is 1 by u. U here is x plus 4 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of 4 with respect to x is 0. Derivative of any constant 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 10,000, anything, derivative of any constant is 0. Next, plus 4 into derivative of this log x plus 5 is 1 by x plus 5 into derivative of x plus 5 is 1 plus 0. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1, derivative of 5 is 0. Okay. From the next questions, directly I will differentiate these functions. Okay na? Now guys, 2 by x plus 3 into 1 plus 0 means that is 1. That is 2 into 1 into 1 means 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 into 1 means that is 3 by x plus 1, x plus 4 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 means that is 4 by x plus 1, 4 by x plus 1. Observe guys, observe, this is equal to dy by dx is equal to, if I shift this 1 by y to right hand side, that becomes the numerator. Then y value is nothing but what? Y is nothing but this, that is x plus 3 whole square plus x plus 4 whole cube, sorry, into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 o to the power of 4 into this, our result, into x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4, 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is our required answer. Okay. Sixth one. Sixth question. X plus 1 by x o to the power of x, x plus 1 by x whole power x plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x, x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Now observe guys, let us call this function as y. Let y is equal to r. This is sixth one. Let y here is equal to this function. Here observe guys, I will call this function as u and this function as v here. Let u here is equal to x plus 1 by x o to the power of x, and v here is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Then the above equation becomes, above means this equation becomes, then y becomes, y is equal to, here this function is what, u, here this is plus, this is plus. Okay, next x power 1 plus 1 by x means that is v, u plus v. Now differentiate this with respect to x, because we have to find out the derivative of this function with respect to x. Now observe guys, here now dy by dx is equal to derivative of y with respect to x means d by dx of y, that is derivative of u with v with respect to x means d by dx of u plus d by dx of v with respect to x means d by dx of v. Derivative of u with respect to x means d by dx of u. Derivative of v with respect to x means d by dx of v. Okay, let us call this function as equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. Now, to find dy by dx, that is the derivative of the above function, first find the derivative of u, that is d by dx of u. To find the d by dx of u, we have to differentiate u with respect to x, right? Now for that, consider u is equal to what? X plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, o to the power of x, o to the power of x. Observe guys, now this is of the form function to the power of function, function to the power of function. But for we can use this formula to differentiate this function, or for 1 mark question you can use this formula to differentiate this function. But here this is 5 mark question, this is 5 mark question, so you use this logarithmic differentiation procedure to find out the derivative of this function. Okay, observe guys, now by logarithmic differentiation, take log on both sides, take log on both the sides. Take log on both the sides means log u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x o to the power of x, x plus 1 by x o to the power of x, that is equal to, if I shift this x to left hand side, this is of the form log m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m, n log m. So this is equal to, n means what? X into log, m means what? X plus 1 by x, n log m. Here left hand side is what? Log u. Now observe guys, this is product of two function, so directly we can differentiate this function with respect to x by using product rule, differentiate with respect to x. Now observe guys, derivative of log u with respect to x is 1 by u into d by dx of this function u, that's equal to, here first function x into d by dx of second function log of x plus 1 by x, plus second function log of x plus 1 by x into, here derivative of first function, that is d by dx of first function here is x. Okay guys, this is by what? By product rule, by product rule. Okay, here observe guys, this is equal to, here first function, this is the second function, this whole thing. Okay, now here first function into derivative of second plus second function log of x plus 1 by x into derivative of first x. Next x into, here now this is of the form log u, in place of u here it is x plus 1 by x. Derivative of log u is what? 1 by u. Derivative of log u is 1 by, in place of u, 1 plus 1 by x. Derivative of log u is 1 by u. Into d by dx of what? U. Into d by dx of u means x plus 1 by x. Next plus log of x plus 1 by x. Derivative of x with respect to x means that is 1. Now observe guys, here this can be written as, here numerator here it is x, by denominator here is, here x square plus 1 by x, x square, x into x is x square plus 1 by x into, observe guys, the derivative of this function is, here derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of 1 by x with respect to x means that is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Okay, now plus log of x plus 1 by x, plus log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, now this is equal to x into the denominator of denominator is the numerator. Okay guys, so we can shift this x to here, that is equal to x square by x square plus 1 into, observe guys, this can be written as, this is x square plus into minus is minus 1, that is x square minus 1 by the, here LCM is x square. Okay, here this x square get cancelled. Okay, next plus log of x plus 1 by x here. So our answer here, x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x plus log of x plus 1 by x. Here observe guys, take log on both sides, log m power n, that is equal to n log m Here by using product rule, first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Here x into log u formula, log u is 1 by u into d by dx of u plus log x plus 1 by x into the derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Now here x into, if I cross multiply this, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Here derivative of x plus 1 by x is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. This is minus 1 by x square plus log of x plus 1 by x into 1 means log of x plus 1 by x. Next, here if shift this x to numerator, denominator of denominator is the numerator. Okay guys, here shift this numerator to here. That is, then that becomes x square. Here this is equal to 1 into x square is x square, plus into minus is minus 1. X square minus 1 by LCM is x square. Now plus log of x plus 1 by x. Now observe guys, x square get cancelled, x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. Now call this function as equation number 2. Call this one as equation number 2. Equation 2 is what? Equation 2. Here before that, here u value, substitute u value. Here then du by dx is equal to, or this is all du by dx. Here this is x, put it in the bracket, okay guys, this is equal to what? This is equal to, here du by dx becomes what? If we shift this u to right hand side, then that becomes the numerator. This is u. Okay guys, here u means what? U means x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. U means x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. Up to last I will write same. Here u means x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. This is equation number 2. Call this as equation number 2. Now, therefore, final from equation 2, this can be written as, that is equation, above equation becomes dy by dx is equal to what? X plus dy by dx is equal to, here du by dx means this is du by dx, right? Du by dx means x plus 1 by x all to the power of x into, here x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. This is equation number 1, right? Next, consider equation 2 and use the same procedure. Consider equation 2 and use the same procedure, you will get the same answer. Okay. Before that, just you try this result by using this formula. Okay guys, here by using this formula, the derivative of this function can be written as, here observe guys, this is extra. For 1 mark question, you can directly differentiate this function like this. Observe guys, d by dx of, here the function is what? X plus 1 by x all to the power of x, right? The function is x plus 1 by x all to the power of x. U here is, that's equal to what? Du by dx is equal to x plus 1 by x all power x. Here u here is equal to, f of x here is what? This is f of x. X is g of x. This is g of x. Okay. Now directly I will differentiate here. Observe guys, this is equal to g of x by f of x. G of x means what? Here f of x whole power g of x here is x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. Here first one. Okay. Next, f of x whole power g of x into g of x means what? This x by f of x means x plus 1 by x into g dash of x means, into f dash of x means the derivative of this one. The derivative of denominator is, here observe, x the derivative with respect to x is 1 plus into, here derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this is minus 1 by x square. plus log of f of x means x plus 1 by x. Log of f of x means x plus 1 by x into g dash of x, that is derivative of g of x is what? G dash of x. Into derivative of g of x is g dash of x. That means into derivative of this x. Into derivative of this x is what? 1. With respect to 1. Now observe guys, this is equal to just one step, is just to simplify, you will get the answer. Here observe guys, here x into x is x square, denominator x square plus 1 by x, right? If I shift this x to here already it is x, this becomes x square. Okay, now this is x square minus 1 by LCM x square get cancelled in the next term, that is into log of x plus 1 by x. This is our answer guys. This is our answer, that is x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 into log of x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. That is our answer. Observe, these two results are same, but here I am using the formula. Here I am using the procedure, logarithmic differentiation procedure. Okay, for 5 marks you have to go like this, for 1 mark you have to go like this. Okay, next consider v here is equal to, here v here is equal to what? Consider v here is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. X to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Now here, now this is of the form function to the power of function. Now so take log on both sides, use the logarithmic differentiation procedure. This is for 5 mark question. So okay, take log on both sides. So this becomes what? Log v. Log v is equal to log x plus log of x to the power of what? 1 plus 1 by x. Log of x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Now this is of the form log m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m, that is 1 plus 1 by x, or into what? N log m. M here is x. This is log v. Now this is product of two functions, so directly we can differentiate this function by using product rule. Differentiate with respect to x by using product rule. By product rule, this can be written as what? Here this is the derivative of log v is 1 by v into d by dx of v. That's equal to, here first function 1 plus 1 by x into derivative of second function into d by dx of second function plus second function log x into d by dx of first function. First function is 1 plus 1 by x. Here observe guys, here 1 plus 1 by x as it is, 1 plus 1 by x as it is here into, here derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into, here observe, derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. Next, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. So simply I left that 0. Okay. And derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now this is equal to, observe guys, here 1 plus x or x plus 1 by x, or this can be written as, okay, x plus 1 by x into 1 by x, okay, plus log of 1 by x whole square can be log x into 1 by x square. Here plus into minus is minus log x into 1 by x square. Here observe guys, here x into x means x square na. Here also this is x square na. So our LCM is x square. X into x is x square. Here also this is x square. So remaining is what? Here it is numerator x plus 1. Here minus, this is log x. Minus log x into 1 by x square is, here the LCM is x square. Okay guys. This is what? This is dv 1 by v into dv by dx. Now observe guys, I will consider this is, I will shift this v to right hand side, then this becomes what? dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to v into this function, v into this function. This is v into this function, v into this function. This is equal to v means what? X to the power of 1 plus 1 by x, x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 minus log x by x square. Call it as equation number 3. And substitute 3 in this equation. Okay. After that, first you write this step up to this and consider u and differentiate that function and call that one as equation number 2, and consider this equation and call this as equation 3. And at the final, you come from this. From equation 2, here dy by dx is equal to equation number 2, and that is value of du by dx, plus from equation 2 and 3, equation 2 is over, okay, and equation 3 is what? Plus equation 3 is x plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 minus log x by x square, by x square. This is our required answer, guys. This is our required answer. Let us check this. X plus 1 by x whole power x into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 log 1 plus 1 by x plus x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus log x by x square. Alright. We have to go like this for 5 mark question. Okay. Now, like this we will solve the remaining problems. Okay. You also try like this. Okay. Here observe, guys. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10. Yeah. All are similar. You try this, guys. Here sin x whole power x plus sin inverse root x. Sin inverse root x. Okay. Here the int for this is, consider this as u and differentiate this function with respect to x. This is v. Here directly you differentiate this function. Okay. By using chain rule, directly you differentiate. Then you will get the answer. Okay. This is du by dx and dv by dx, and substitute the result, you will get the answer. Okay, guys. Next, ninth one. X to the power of sin x plus sin x to the power of cos x. For this also, take it as u, take it as v, and find out du by dx, dv by dx, and put it in the dy by dx. First call this function as y. Let y is equal to, okay. Now, and 10th one, sin x, 10th one, x to the power of x cos x, plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. X square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Here, this is also same. Take it as u, take it as v, and find du by dx, and put it in dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. You will get the answer, guys. Okay. Now, next I will solve 11th question. That is similar to this. Okay. Here x into cos x. Here this is x into cos x. Here whole to the power of x plus x into sin x. Whole to the power of 1 by x. Here observe, guys. I will give the solution. If what, I will give the solution. Just try this. Here solution for this one, that is 8th question, is solution for this is dy by dx is equal to yes sin x whole to the power of x. Just try this, you will get the answer. X into cot x plus log of sin x plus derivative of this one is plus 1 by 2 into 1 by root of x minus x square. X minus x square. Okay. This is your answer for first one. 8th one. Next. For 9th one, you should get here x to the power of sin x dy by dx is equal to x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x plus sin x whole power cos x into cot x into cos x minus log of sin x into sin x minus log of sin x. This is not sin x, this is not log x, this is log of sin x. Okay, here just to simplify dy by dx, you will get this answer. Okay guys, this is cot x into cos x. Next, answer for 10th one is x into x to the power of, this is dy by dx is equal to x to the power of x cos x into, that is cos x plus log x minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. Okay guys, you should try all this.